A very nice, clean, and certified 2012 Toyota RAV4 awaits its next owner at Smart Motors. This SUV has low mileage and is set to perform for years to come. Its four-wheel drivetrain, coupled with ABS braking and traction control, combine to create a sturdy, dependable ride while going through any weather or road condition that will be thrown at you. It is always nice to have convenient interior options in a vehicle, and this RAV4 fits the bill. Fit up to 5 passengers in this cozy SUV while taking those weekend road trips or family vacations. Easily be able to speak on the phone in a hands-free manner in this RAV4 with its Bluetooth connection, while being able to listen to your choice of music via its USB and auxiliary audio input connections. Ample cargo space and a roof rack combine to create an immense amount of capacity to carry luggage, skis, or any other amenities needed. It's time to upgrade to a new, dependable vehicle, and this RAV4 is waiting. Stop by Smart Motors to get behind the wheel of this SUV and make it yours today. Toyota Certified provides 7 years/100,000-mile powertrain warranty from original in-service date, 12 months/12,000-mile comprehensive warranty from date of purchase, 1 year roadside assistance, and complimentary loaner car.